To create a profile for a staff member or someone in your network, you'll go on the profile theme on your RAMP website and go on Add New. So you can do that by pressing Add New on the left side at the dashboard or press Add New on the top here. Once you've pressed Add New, it'll bring you to a built-in template where you can make edits to create a profile. The first thing you can do is add in the name of your person that you want in your network. Once you've done that, you can add in their title and what institution they're part of. After you've done that, you can enter in the biography for this person. This information can be about where they work, what research interests they have, and how that connects to your overall website. You can also add tags, which can be done on the side here, over here where it says focus tags, and you can add in what they're interested in. So let's say climate, and you can also add in a research topic. So the research topic in this case could be climate change policy. You can also change what type of profile they have. You can add them as a board member, contributor, staff, or create a new profile type. To add in their image, their profile image, a headshot of some kind, or an abstract image, you can add it through this icon over here, or on the right side where it says Set Featured Image. You'll press on that, and then choose an image of your liking, which can be downloaded from your desktop or laptop, and set the featured image. You can also add in more information down here, if they have a website, social media, email addresses. Once you have all of this information, you can save it as a draft and then look at it as a preview. To look at the preview, you can go on this icon where it says preview and and then click preview in new tab. And this is how it will look once it is actually published. Once you're happy with that preview, you can press publish over here and publish it publicly or at a different time.